Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today we are going to make a very simple and very yummy recipe which we are calling Besani Paratha. For this we will take 1 cup of besan or ground flour, half a cup of wheat flour, and then to this we will add Kasuri Methi, onion, 1 medium onion I have taken, I have chopped it, and 1 grated carrot that is also medium sized. Then to this we will add fennel seeds or saunf, and then Ajwain or Carom seeds. These are like around 1 teaspoon each. Then to this I generally use rock salt, so I am adding rock salt to this. You can use your normal salt as well, but rock salt is little healthier. So then to this we'll add red chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, some white sesame seeds. You can avoid if you don't like sesame seeds. Then to this we'll add garam masala, and we'll mix all this, and we'll mix this thoroughly. Once this dry mix is mixed properly, we'll add to this 2 tablespoons of ghee, and then we'll mix again, and then using water we'll knead a dough. I'll tell you, in this we'll need very little water since grated carrot is there, that also has moisture, so we'll need very little water. I use around 1/4 of a cup, even lesser than that. And then I've taken some ghee on my palm, and then I have kneaded the dough once again, and then we'll make a chapati out of this. Just make sure to put some dry flour on your hand before you are making the ball of the dough, because the dough is a little sticky. Then on a hot pan we'll cook the chapati from both sides. We'll apply ghee and we'll cook it properly from both sides. That's it, it's ready to be served. Now we'll just serve it hot with curd or pickle or chutney, whatever you like. Serve it with that. I hope you like it. I hope you like the taste. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Stay healthy.